So, as the new year approaches, I want to talk about New Year's resolutions and us stop adding open a business to New Year's resolution and then not actually doing it. Okay. So, let's stop procrastinating and let's actually get it done. So, if you are wanting to own a business, you need to figure out what that business is. If it's cell phone repair, because that's how you're watching this video, then you need to start, okay? Be it going to Gadget Repair Expo in the beginning of the year, so then you can really dive into the industry. If it's starting a course, if it's starting, sign up for RFA, if it's just watching all of our YouTube videos, like you have got to start and then dedicate the time to make it happen. If it's a different type of business and you're just following on to this video, feel free to follow me. I do own multiple types of companies. I own a vending company where we travel to festivals and sell food. I own some online different companies, a bookkeeping company. I'm also partnered in an association. I also sit on the board for an expo. So there's a lot that I do that I talk about on here. But I just want us to stop putting open a business on our New Year's resolution and not actually doing it. Let's stop that this year.